Hey guys, Josh here with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I am going to show you guys our new 2026 Bennington 20SSR. This boat is a gorgeous boat in an absolute red color. You've got your anodized aluminum. We've got the tritoon package with the SPS package underneath there. As we walk around to the back of the boat, you'll see that we have this boat paired with a 115 horsepower Yamaha super high output show motor. We've got our ski tow bar here mounted on the transom. We've also got a nice ladder to board the boat. As I mentioned earlier, this boat is the gorgeous absolute red, and it's paired with the Dolce soft touch interior and the espresso accents, which is a gorgeous combination. We've got these very spacious front chase lounges here, lots of storage underneath, the roto molded seat boxes to make sure that all your stuff stays safe and dry. We've got a nice table here in the bow. As we move back to the helm, we've got a tilt steering wheel. This boat has our analog gauges, the Rockford Fosgate head unit, and a Garmin chart plotter and GPS. Here we've got our analog switches on both sides for all of your lighting and accessories. We've got a wireless phone charger as well underneath the helm. We've got these really comfortable captain's chairs with your flip down armrests. As we move back, we've got some more lounges here in the rear. We've got a very large 10-foot bimini. This is the manual bimini. Gives lots of shade, perfect for hanging out there on the water. If you'd like to come take a look at this boat or have any questions, just give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom.